QuizPlatter, a platter full of knowledge. Saturn Quiz. Which planet is known as the ringed planet? Answer D, Saturn. What is Saturn mainly made of? Answer A, hydrogen and helium. Which is the largest moon of Saturn? Answer B, Titan. How many main rings does Saturn have? Answer A, 7. Which spacecraft first visited Saturn? Answer C, Pioneer. 11. How long does Saturn take to orbit the Sun? Answer C, 29.5 Earth years. What is unique about Saturn's density? Answer D, it is less dense than water. Which feature of Saturn is visible through a small telescope? Answer B, its rings. Which gas gives Saturn its yellowish color? Answer D, ammonia. Which moon of Saturn has geysers that may indicate a subsurface ocean? Answer A, Enceladus. What is the average distance of Saturn from the Sun? Answer A, 1.4 billion kilometers. Which planet has a similar composition to Saturn? Answer D, Jupiter. What is the rotation period of Saturn? Length of a day. Answer C, 10 hours, 33 minutes. Which Saturn moon is known for its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere? Answer D, Titan. Which famous mission studied Saturn and its moons for over a decade? Answer B, Cassini-Huygens. QuizPlatter. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.